Are you tired of feeling like your money disappears faster than it comes in? What if I told you there are 10 simple, yet powerful ways to save money without giving up the things you love? Let's turn those financial struggles into financial wins starting right now. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel, where we help you live smarter, save more, and stress less about money. In today's video, I'm sharing 10 life-changing money-saving tips that you can start using immediately. Whether you're trying to save for a vacation, pay off debt, or just make your paycheck stretch further, these tips will help you take control of your finances. First things first, know your why. Set specific savings goals, like saving $5,000 for a trip or $10,000 for a down payment. When you have a clear purpose, it's easier to stay motivated. Write your goals down and keep them somewhere visible on your fridge, your phone, or your planner. Knowledge is power. Use apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to track your spending. Knowing exactly where your money goes each month can reveal those little leaks that add up, like that $4 coffee every day. This is a game changer. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Adjust as needed, but this rule gives you a clear framework to balance your spending. Eating out or ordering food is a silent wallet drainer. Plan your meals for the week, shop with a list, and batch cook to save time and money. Bonus, it's healthier too. Streaming services, gym memberships, or forgotten apps, are you really using them all? Take 10 minutes to review and cancel anything that's not adding value to your life. Always look for discounts, use cashback apps, and buy in bulk when possible. Compare prices online before making big purchases. It's easier than ever with tools like Honey or Rakuten. Make saving effortless by setting up automatic transfers to your savings account every payday. Out of sight, out of mind. Why pay someone for things you can do yourself? From minor home repairs to gifts, YouTube is full of tutorials to help you learn new skills and save money. Impulse buying can wreck your budget. Follow the 24-hour rule. Wait at least a day before making non-essential purchases. You'll often realize you didn't need it after all. Turn your clutter into cash. Sell unused items on platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark. Not only will you make money, but you'll also create a more organized space. Those are my 10 money-saving tips to help you keep more cash in your pocket. Remember, small changes can add up to big results. Which tip are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use these tips. Together, we can all save smarter.